Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today is day 9 of our 21 days of lace knit stitches. And this stitch is called a little fountain stitch. And you can see they kind of go like that. So I've done 3 repeats here, or 4 repeats. It is only a 4-row repeat. I thought this would be a whole lot more complicated than it is, but it isn't. It's really easy. Now, I started this with a size 13 knitting needle, and honestly it looked terrible whenever it was too loose. So I tore it all out and then redid it in the 11. I almost didn't do this stitch, but it looks very pretty. And I really wanted to conquer it. And so I did it in the 11, and I think it looks really good. So you can see. So it's really easy. So we're ready for row 1. We're going to, let's see here, you want to cast on in increments of 4 plus 1, and I have 17 stitches on my needle, and it's a little different than what we've done so far because we're not going to increase and decrease on the same row. So on row 1, we're going to increase only. So we're just going to knit that first stitch that's not in our repeat. And then we're going to yarn over, knit 3, and then yarn over and knit 1. And that is our repeat. So we're increasing 2 stitches for every repeat. So I ended on a knit 1, so I'm going to yarn over, knit 3, yarn over and knit 1. That was our second repeat. Yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and then knit 1. So that was a lot of increased stitches. On the wrong side row, you're just purling all the way across. So, all right, so now we are ready for row 3. And this is obviously our right side of our work. So this side is a little bit different. It doesn't start off immediately with the repeat. But this row, we're going to decrease 2 stitches on every repeat, and then 1 on the outside of the repeat. So we're going to knit 2, and we're going to slip 1 knitwise, knit 2 together, and then pass the slipped stitch over. And then we're going to start our repeat. So that was our 2 decreases. So starting our repeat, we're going to knit 3 stitches. So that was our yarn over and our yarn over in the previous rows. And then we're going to slip 1 knitwise and then knit 2 together. So we're decreasing 1 there. And then we're going to pass that slip stitch over. So we're decreasing 2. And then repeat, knit 3, slip, knit, pass over, knit 3, slip, knit, pass over, and then we're going to knit these last 2 stitches. And then the next row, you will purl all of those stitches to bring it all together and start all over again. And that's it. So I think that's really pretty. I like how that comes together. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little fountain stitch, and I will see you guys again for day 10 tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching.